To submit documents to Lyft for account approval, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your application is processed smoothly. Make sure you have all necessary documents ready before starting. Step 1. Create or log into your Lyft account. Before changing your settings, use the enter.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the document submission section. Once logged in, go to the account settings or driver dashboard. Look for the section labeled Document Submission or Account Approval to find the specific requirements for your documents. Step 3. Prepare your documents. Gather all required documents such as your driver's license, vehicle registration, and proof of insurance. Ensure that these documents are clear, legible, and meet the specified guidelines provided by Lyft. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your documents. Select each document from your device and ensure they are uploaded correctly. Double-check that all files are in the correct format and size as specified by Lyft. Step 5. Submit and wait for approval. After uploading all necessary documents, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation that your documents have been submitted. Wait for Lyft to review your submission, which may take a few days, and check your email for updates on your account approval status. By following these steps, you can successfully submit your documents to Lyft for account approval. Good luck with your application.